The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only, and does not constitute financial or investment advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Top 3 beginner-friendly investment types. Clear Investing Guide. Welcome back to Clear Investing Guide, where we simplify investing, one step at a time. Today we're breaking down the top 3 beginner-friendly investments that can help you start growing your wealth. Let's start with stocks. When you buy a stock, you're buying a piece of ownership in a company. If the company does well, your investment grows. Why are stocks good for beginners? They offer potentially high returns and are easy to buy through online platforms. For example, let's say you buy one share of a popular company like Apple. If the company's value increases, so does your stock. But remember, stocks can be volatile. Prices can go up and down quickly, so it's important to invest in companies you believe in and hold on to them for the long term. Next up, exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. Think of ETFs as baskets of investments. When you buy an ETF, you're buying a collection of stocks, bonds, or other assets all at once. Why are ETFs great for beginners? They're diversified, meaning your risk is spread across multiple investments. Plus, they're affordable. Many ETFs have low fees compared to other investment options. For example, an ETF like the S&P 500 tracks the top 500 companies in the United States, giving you exposure to the entire market without having to buy individual stocks.
You can take that to the bank.
Finally, let's talk about bonds. When you buy a bond, you're essentially lending money to a company or government. In return, they promise to pay you back with interest. Why are bonds beginner-friendly? They're one of the safest investments, especially government bonds. They provide steady, predictable returns and help balance out riskier investments like stocks. For example, if you invest $1,000 in a bond with a 3% annual return, you'll earn $30 a year in interest, guaranteed. While bonds don't grow as fast as stocks or ETFs, they're a great way to preserve wealth and reduce risk. To recap, the top 3 beginner-friendly investments are: 1. Stocks, high potential returns but more risk. 2. ETFs, diversified and affordable with lower risk. And 3. Bonds, safe and predictable, perfect for balancing your portfolio. Starting with any of these investments is a great first step to growing your wealth over time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Clear Investing Guide for more tips, and let us know in the comments. What investment are you most interested in? Thanks for watching. Clear Investing Guide, simplifying investing, one step at a time.